Today we're going to be changing out the blower motor resistor on our 1994 Chevy Corvette. This will work through 1993 through 1996 with automatic air control. Let's get started. All you'll need for this is a Phillips head screwdriver. So on your passenger side, it's located right here. There's a screw here, and there should be a screw there. Ours is missing. Okay, right over there. And then there's another screw right here. We have Phillips head screwdriver. And then you have two electrical hookups right here. You don't have to take those off right away. You can start by undoing this. Move these hoses back. You don't have to take this hose out either. Just pull out your resistor. Okay, here it is right here. Now the two clips, this one's pretty easy. Just undo this one at the bottom and it'll pop right out. And the whole thing comes out. Don't undo the top ones, just this one on the side. Same thing for this. You only do, this one's broken, obviously, so you just pull that one out, okay? Don't do the tops. We'll put a link in the description for one that fits not only this car, but also a Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's the same part, only the price is so much lower on this one that we have the link for. Line up your holes. And that's how you change out your blower motor resistor on your 1993 to 96 Chevy Corvette. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.